So this home was built in the 1930s. We're going to be replacing the mortise lock. It's got the crystal knobs, kind of keeps with the theme of the home. So first we're going to insert the mortise lock into the door. I'm actually going to use 2 different sets of screws just to show you the difference in security. This is what it comes with. This little 1/2-inch screw here. And I'm just going to put in a longer screw just to demonstrate the difference of security. So it's a good idea to get longer bolts. Okay, you can see the difference in the security for the long bolt versus the short bolt. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this faceplate right on. Holes are already drilled, it's just going to go over. So I'll take a few screws here. I'm just going to do this with a screwdriver. The drill's a little bit too strong. Just the one up top first. Put one more in down low. So after your plates are on, we're going to put the doorknob right through. There's a little set screw right there. You want to make sure that's pointing down. It's going to come in from the back. Put the doorknob in, set screw facing down. This is just going to screw on. Okay, I'll get snug. Set screws on the bottom. We're just going to tighten that up. Alright, and then once that's all set and tight, you're all done. What I really like about these locks is the key keeps with the fashion of the home, and that's how you put it in the mortise lock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out at greaterctrealestate.com.